Who do you love more, your parents or your children? If you are being honest with each other and you really think about it, you probably would say, my children. Why do you love your children more? Your parents are the very reason for your existence, but you still love your children more? Why? What is the reason for that? To answer this question, we need to understand the purpose of life itself. What is the purpose? You think of any life form like bacteria, virus, plants, animals. What is the purpose? Why do they exist? Like, why do any plant exist? Why do any tree exist? They exist because their ancestors were able to reproduce. And that is the purpose. Like, we are able to feel the COVID because there is so many of it. It was able to replicate. We are able to see tigers because they were able to replicate. So replication is the reward for animals. Replication is a reward that has to be earned. How do you earn it? You earn it through survival. So you need to have the tools to be able to survive. For example, if you're a lion, you must be fast enough to catch the deer so that you can kill it and eat it so that you can survive. So survival is the means for replication, which is the end. So the end goal of any species, of any life form in general, is replication. Okay, that's why we love children, because it is the way in which we propagate our existence beyond our grave. So children are to be loved because they are a part of you. You continue to exist through your next generations. So this is ingrained in our biology to make sure that our presence is felt biologically. There are two ways in which the presence can be felt. One way is through social footprint. As a human being, you want to create a big enough dent in the universe. That means you want to do some good, you want to achieve something, you want to discover something, you want to represent a company or a country so that your presence is felt. That is the social footprint. But there is also the biological footprint, which is at the core of every life form. So the way biological footprint is felt is by having children. That's why we have this craving to have sex, because sex is a reward for us to being able to propagate our genetics. So that is why we love our children more than we love our parents, because we love our genetics to be propagated through the next generation. Hopefully you agree with me, but if you do disagree, kindly share your comments and I would like to hear from you. Thank you.